Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittney and I just wanted to pop on and say hi. How are you guys? My neighbor's actually outside, so I'm trying to be a little quiet. I wanted to come on and talk to you guys a little bit. So I've been slacking on my YouTube video content, so I just been thinking I might start uploading 2 times a week. I'm gonna try to do that and like have like a little routine. So I'm gonna do like 1 day a week of a vlog of my week of like documenting whatever it might be, because I love vlogging, what I eat in a day. So keep them separate. Let me know down below if that's something you would like, or give it a thumbs up if that's something that would interest you. I love filming what I eat in a day because I love to watch them, especially when I like lose ambition or like motivation. Those videos, like, they're the best. I love watching those. So yeah, yesterday I actually got like a really I got like a hate message of like, this is why you can't lose weight, because I went and I had ice cream. I lost a nail. These are just stick-on ones, but I went for my best friend's fiance's birthday. We celebrated his birthday last weekend here. Well, it's Sunday, so like 2 days ago. And this person's like, this is why you can't lose weight, and I just laugh because it's like, whatever. Like you don't go eat ice cream even if you're on a weight loss journey. Like, my life doesn't revolve around weight loss, if that makes sense. Obviously I'm trying to lose weight and like it's a big important thing in my life. I still live my life and I want to show you guys that you can live a balanced life and still lose weight. Like, I've maintained my 55 to 65 pound weight loss. It's been a roller coaster, but I've maintained that for a year. Even lost, and I went down to my lowest. I went back up 10 to 15. Like, I've never gone over. It doesn't even matter. Like, I don't need to justify myself, but the moral of the story is like, do what works for you, be who you are, and never give up on that. Like, bugs. You know what I mean? So that's why I feel so motivated today. And so unmotivated for so long. I'm finally like, okay, I'm more active on YouTube here. Be who you are. Never lose sight of that. No matter if you are somebody who shares their life on the internet or doesn't, be who you are. It's so important to never lose that. I know people like to try to change other people by like commenting. Like, this girl I love, she gets hate too, and like just seeing it, it's like, wow. So people just don't have like, some people just don't have filters, and what they do is they make fake accounts. Like, all of the ones I get are always fake accounts or private, so you can't see nothing. It's like, whatever. But now Instagram, they made it so you can block people and block all of their accounts. So they're like smart. It's so nice. So like, people that follow you and like watch you to a T, when you block them, even their spam accounts are blocked, and vice versa. It's the day and the age. It comes with criticism. I understand that. I'm not trying to whine or be a baby, but I just thought that I'd share that little tidbit. Hi you guys, I'm going to pick up my groceries from Walmart, but I don't even think I told you guys. Jason got a new car. We love it. We're so excited. It's so nice. It's a CX-5. We absolutely love it. It has a sunroof and everything. It's so freaking nice. It is so hot out today. Holy crapola. Okay, so you and I, we are going to go to Walmart. I look crazy because I didn't get ready today. I'm not feeling good today, you guys. Like, I'm having some severe stomach aches. To be honest with you, oh my god, funny. Our neighbor got a new dog, and it's like a lassie dog, and you guys, it's 72 out, but it's like really humid here in Minnesota. Like, if you know anything about Minnesota or like the Midwest, it gets so humid. So his dog is like really furry, and it's like laying down in the shade, poor thing. Anyways, we are gonna go to Walmart. I'm gonna put on some shade so I don't look so cray when I pull up. They're gonna be like, this girl literally looks crazy. So when I get home, I'll do a mini grocery haul. I'll show you guys what I got. But yeah, back to my stomach is just not feeling good. I don't understand what the deal is. Oh, Jason paid me for groceries. That's nice of you. Thanks, babe. Went to the Walmart app. I have a whole video on this actually. Once you get there, then it basically is like, pick what spot you're in the color of your car. Yep, the dog's done. He's like, take me home, Dad. I'm so hot. I can't do this. We made it. Yeah. Hi, you guys. So I'm gonna just chat for a minute. I want to be completely honest with you guys. My period cravings are so awful. So I stopped at McDonald's and I got a large Diet Coke. And I got a small fry and a McDouble, which I can show you when I get home, and a honey mustard packet, which I don't think I'm gonna eat. I'm just gonna eat the fries by themselves. But you guys, I freaking keep caving, and this is like a horrible thing. Like, I keep giving in, but I tracked it. I haven't eaten anything today. Literally anything. I haven't even tracked anything. Sorry, it's one of the railroad tracks. So anyways, so I tracked it. I haven't eaten anything today. I get, points go up depending on your weight. But I'm leaving my points because I already get 39 points in a day. And so I'm keeping it at that. I weigh in, I'm starting to weigh in on Thursdays now. Thursday is like a great day. I've done good all week. It's not the weekend quite yet. I just feel like it's just perfect. Some people only get 21 points in a day. So that is a lot of points. But like I said, I get 39 because of my height, my weight, my gender, my age, everything. It just calculated. Mainly it's on your height and your weight. I'm not really positive, but I know you get how many points you get due to all of like your personal thing. I put like I want to lose 2 pounds a week and like, you know what I mean? So it's all depending on how you put everything in the app. It is 72 degrees out. It's a beautiful day. When I get home, I'll show you guys my groceries. Hi you guys, so I just got home. I'm actually just gonna put away the groceries because we actually have some frozen stuff, so I don't want it to go bad, you know. So anyways, I'm just gonna go bag to bag here. Battery's gonna die here. We both wanted sandwiches, so Jason got his favorite pepper jack cheese. Let me throw on this light. I grabbed my ring light, but whatever. Pickles for my sandwiches. These are my favorite pickles. If you can find them, they're in the cold section. They're the Clausen oven roasted turkey breast by Hillshire Farms. On the cob, oh, they picked a good one. That's good. Because we're gonna have hopefully some hamburgers, cheeseburgers, 2 1-pound things of beef. We're gonna have tater tot hot dish and cheeseburgers one night with it. Coffee. I get the Stoke, some 1% cottage cheese, some tater tots. I just wanted to try it because it sounded really good. Chicken stir fry, white meat, chicken and pasta with carrots, broccoli, red peppers, and sesame garlic stir fry sauce. So I'm a sucker for anything with garlic. So this sounded phenomenal. That's what it looks like. Oh yeah. Cucumber for like a snack maybe. I didn't have my favorite bread, just like the Italian one. They just had the 12 grain. Village Hearth light bread, which it'll be just fine. It looks a lot smaller than normal. I get really sick of the same food. I got this lightly sauced rotini and vegetable tomato parmesan. It's only 390 calories for the whole bag, so I'll probably have one of these for lunch. Tater tot hot dish. I'm gonna throw these in the oven and just bake them and make them nice and crispy. Myself some fat-free cheese I'm gonna use for my sandwiches. I wanted to go to Trader Joe's, but it's so far and there's so much construction that it's just not worth it. I got some Skinny Pop popcorn because I've seen people eating it. This is the white cheddar. Some sugar-free caramel syrup for my iced coffee. Last thing is just some fat-free cream of mushroom soup to make tater tot hot dish. So please don't mind the top of the fridge. That's our Ninja thing that Jason likes to cover it up so it doesn't get dusty or whatever. And I'm gonna be cleaning the fridge up. It's driving me nuts. So that is my little grocery haul. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. Alright, so here's my lunch. There's a small fry. They give me 2 honey mustards. McDouble. It's funny because I asked for a McDouble with extra onion and extra pickle, and at the end he goes, "Did you want honey mustard packets or honey packets?" And I'm thinking, oh my god, how did he know like I like honey mustard? And then I'm like, oh, he must have thought I meant I want honey mustard instead of extra onion and pickle. So I didn't get extra onion and pickle, but I don't even care. It's fine. Hi. Oh, you can have a little bit of a fry. That one wasn't too salty. I love you. You guys, it is still Monday the 24th. I'm craving some coffee, so I am making some ice in my little igloo dude freezer in a bag so it doesn't melt. This little dude is so neat. If you do get one though, make sure you clean it extremely thoroughly because you know, it can get moldy. My one friend, she has one and hers got really moldy and she stopped using it. So make sure you clean this pretty thoroughly. But if you do that, this thing is the neatest thing and I really like it. I got it for Christmas. It's a caramel iced coffee with cinnamon sugar on top. And then I have creamer, and then this guy, he makes it so good. It's that time of year, you guys, where the cheese decide to throw up on everybody's deck. So we've blown them off. Tonight we're having bunless cheeseburgers with pepper jack cheese, some corn on the cob, I believe it's not butter, and a little salt, and then some Mrs. Jerry's potato salad, and then I'm having a little Caesar salad. So super good. 0 points for this. I think that's 4, and then 3 points for the sauce, I think. So, and then of course pickles. Filled up my water bottle. I'm slacking. I love this water bottle. I don't know if I shared it with you guys here on YouTube yet. Always leave the fridge open. So this is an 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. half of a gallon water bottle. It's super nice. I'll link it down below. It's from, I think, Amazon. My mom actually surprised me and bought one for me. This one has this kind of a handle, but there is one with like a better handle. However, this one's lid is like 10 times better. It just pops open. The other one, you literally cannot get open. You have to like pry the sucker open. That is the only downfall of the one with the handle, because the one with the handle would be so nice. It's heavy, and then when you're drinking it, you have to basically double fist. I'm actually gonna just make a sandwich. Hello? I'll show you guys my lunch here in a minute. You have to try this on a sandwich. It looks so crazy. 100 calories for 2 tablespoons. I used 1 tablespoon, 50 calories. I only think it's 1 point on Weight Watchers. I'm gonna track everything after I eat. But girl, that is so dang good. Wow. I want a bite. Are you a good girl? Is Amy a good girl? Oh, it's your baby. Alright, you guys, it is the 25th still. Oops. The 25th still, Tuesday. And I'm having a chicken power bowl. It is super windy out, you guys. So I just got a chicken power bowl. I left the guac on it this time. We'll see if I like it. I can't, every time I get it, I always get no guac because I had it once and I did not like it. And then a Baja Zero. So they have this at my, in Indy. At my Taco Bell, they have Baja Zero. So just ask, they might have it. It's my favorite, the Baja Zero. So highly recommend. It tastes just as good as the Baja Blast to me. I feel like an early dinner, but I got kind of a late start to eat and I just had that sandwich, so. That was so good. Legit ate it all. They're everywhere. I keep trying to get into my food from this stupid trees. So I've eaten, it might be backwards for you, but I have 13 points left. I've eaten 26 for the day. My breakfast for my coffee that you guys saw was only 2 points. And then my sandwich and my cottage cheese and the dill pickle chips was 2, and then the power bowl was 12. So I have 13 left or later, which I probably won't eat until like 8. I don't even know if I'm really stuffed. So that was so filling and so dang good.